Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video with me, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant, and with me we have the product manager from Epson team, who is Mr. Arbaz. I've been knowing him since almost 8 years
years.
now. Yeah. So Arbaz is going to run us through all the exclusive product range of Epson. So over to you, Arbaz. Which one would be the first product you would want to show
Yeah,
us?
hi Tanmay. It's nice to have you here
Thank you.
for our partners meet. So we'll start through our new model, which was I'll not say it's new, but we had launched it in January. So this is a CO FS02 projector. So I'll just run through you the basic specifications. We have launched this projector in the portable category.
Okay.
That means you can carry it anywhere. All you need to do is give a power connection and a wireless connection to it. So the projector comes up with built-in OTT apps. You can directly have video on demand using the projector. It's having a 5-watt built-in speaker. In case somewhere you find that the sound of the projector is not that much, you can also connect a Bluetooth speaker to the projector, and that would enhance your experience.
So just one question out here. So in the past we have all seen Epson coming up with model names like EB and EH. So here we see CO. So what does that CO stand for?
So CO stands for crossover. That means this model is an additional crossover series to the existing product line.
Okay.
So it's not a replacement of any model, it's just a crossover series. To give a more portability option to customers, we have launched this series, and that's the reason that's the name says that crossover FS02. That's how. Thank you.
Fantastic. So look, I mean, the product is really classy. I mean, it can definitely look nice on the centerpieces of the living rooms or bedrooms as well. So do you have anything to share about the specs of the product, like in terms of the brightness, the ports that it carry?
So the projector is a 3000 lumens projector, and we have the built-in OTT in this.
Okay.
We have only basic connectivity. Here we have the console. Maybe you can have a show of the photo of this.
Okay.
So here we have the Epson stick, which is connected on an HDMI port. There's a USB port to give the power to the stick.
Right.
And that's only the connectivity here. In case so since we have launched in the portable category, that's the limited connectivity is given. In case still customer wants to try out more connectivity, one way is you remove this dongle and connect the so the HDMI port would be vacant. You can use any other port, any other device to be connected. Okay. Or simply you can use a splitter or a switcher, which can give switching between two signals and connect to the projector.
And because it's marketed as a portable projector, how easy is it to set up? Let's say
It's
if you carry
very
it
easy.
to a
Yeah, I
terrace or
understand
any
your
other place.
point, because for customers when they carry it to other locations, setting up a projector can be challenging. So the projector has a built-in sensor. As soon as you keep the projector, switch it on, it will automatically sense the image area and correct it and make it in the rectangle format as desired. So you don't have to actually keep on fidgeting with the remote to get the correct image. The projector itself corrects the image and gives you a proper image size.
Okay.
So that's an actually advantage for the customers who are traveling and they want to use it as a portable model.
And does this also, like all the other Android projectors of Epson, come with 2 remote controls?
Yeah, this also comes with 2 remote controls. So the Fire Stick, actually the reason is when we come up with the 2 remotes, one is for the Android stick which is connected, one is for the projector settings.
Okay.
But you can pair both the remotes and use a single remote for both the functions. So you don't need to every time use the stick remote. That is only for one time configuration.
Okay.
After that, only one remote would be used, which is for operating the projector. That's it.
And I heard Epson is also offering some cool memberships with this product. Is that with this or is that with some other model?
Yeah, we have tied up partners all India.
Okay.
So based on the connection with the partner, we shall have
the OTT subscription.
Yes. So it works this way, that when we sell it to the partner buys the projector, and when it goes to the customer, there's a claim form which comes in the box.
Okay.
Customer has to scratch the card, go to the online web page. From there he can put all the codes and then encash it.
Wow. So how much amount are we looking at for this projector? Like what's the MRP? And
so there's a MRP for the projector is close to 87,000 something, approximate I'm saying.
Okay.
And that's the MRP. Surely I know once someone contacts you, you'll have a better deal for them.
Okay. So definitely, I mean, that's what partners are there for.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I mean, we already have a 750 projector
Correct.
and a 740. So which of this models is getting replaced with the COFH?
So as I said, this is a crossover series. We are not replacing this with any of them. It's
Okay.
an added to the product line, just in case, because 750 are the installation models. You can ceiling mount it. So the facility is given there. 740 also we have a facility to ceiling mount it. Whereas
Right.
this is a portable model. We have not given a facility
mount
for
facility.
ceiling mount. So this is only a crossover series. It's not replacement of any of the models.
Okay. So the other two would be still there, or
Yeah, they 740 will get discontinued,
Okay.
and 750 will continue.
so that's like a short throw projector from Epson.
Yes,
because
yes.
compared to the other range wherein you can take it all the way back to, let's say, 10-12 feet
Correct.
for 100-inch screen, the 750 has to be placed at around 8 feet.
Yes.
So
yes,
with
yes.
that short throw application, the 750 would still have a market to cater to.
Obviously.
Great. So do you want to go to the
Yeah,
next product?
we will go to the next product. We
Okay.
have because we are displaying all the products in the for the setup. So this is
This is the beast.
the beast. I know you have made a video for this. This is EHLS 12000B. The beauty of this product is, firstly, it is a laser projector. It has 2700 lumens of brightness.
Okay.
The contrast ratio is 25 lakh is to 1. That's a dynamic contrast. Native contrast is 5000 is to 1. It has 2-axis shifting. That means you get 8.3 million colors on screen,
Pixels on the screen.
pixels on the screen, and it also has Kalman color calibration support. So in case someone wants to do a color calibration for the screen, they can surely
Enhance the performance and-
enhance the performance of the.
And this is also ISF certified.
Yeah, it's IFS certified, and it has memory functions. Since the lens is motorized, you have many 10 memory functions. You can make modes and save it to the memory function to use it.
So I think that's one of the biggest catch out here, because most of the projectors, like if you check the Sony, which is probably around the same range, or the JVC, one of the drawbacks of these brands is that they don't have lens memory as a feature, which definitely is one of the selling point for Epson, including the TW9400, which has got lens memory. So lens memory is useful for those who want to use the CinemaScope mode, which is the 2.35:1,
Yes.
and have another for 16:9. So that lens memory is a cool feature to have.
Also, I
Definitely.
would add to this, the projector has a high level of lens shift. So it's a vertical 96 plus minus lens shift and horizontal 47% plus minus lens shift. So that gives you a big flexibility to
Yeah.
mount at the corners of the room, at the shelf or at the side table, and still have the image of the center.
But no shadow.
No shadow.
Okay, that's very important.
Yeah, and since as I mentioned earlier, all our lenses are made in Japan. So the lens is a more precision core, which actually gives you a zoom ratio of 2.1x. That means from a particular position, you can increase the image size
Almost
110%
by double, yeah.
of the current size. So that gives a very big flexibility for installation per se.
Okay. And in the past, we have seen the LS 10,000, then there was 10,500.
Correct.
Probably that didn't, meet the market expectations. So with LS 12,000B already being there since last 1 year, I guess.
Yes, yes.
So how's the product been running for you guys?
Yeah, for us it's a good product because many people who want for a long lasting life instead of a lamp, the laser becomes as a very good option for them. And also it's placed on a segment which is at a price point of close to 6 lakhs as an MRP. And some customer who wants to experience 4K and have a good quality at a pocket budgeted price. So this gives a very good solution for them with all the functionality in one set. So
Okay.
we obviously there are many market players in the market, but none of them have everything in one packet. So this serves the purpose as such.
And the light source life, mentions about 20,000 hours. But what is the warranty that we are looking at? Because laser source will have more warranty compared to a lamp.
So we offer a warranty of 3 years or 20,000 hours on the projector, and the life of the laser source is also 20,000 hours. So in case some customer wants to have an extended warranty, they can still per se, like after 3 years, additional 2 years warranty can be extended by the customer.
That's
So
very
an option
important,
with us.
because laser, the repair charges
Yes,
or the
yes,
repair
yes.
cost for any laser projector is very high. So this additional warranty will definitely help a lot of people. which probably for lamp is easy because the lamp replacement cost is very
low,
negligible
yes.
when it comes to Epson's lamp-based projectors.
Actually, I'll say Epson, you don't have failure chances, so that's one of
That's
the
true.
option. But maybe
Yeah.
customer may not have the same problem of changing the lamp or something, because the failure rate for our projectors
Is less.
quite negligible.
Yeah, true. So, are we seeing any further upgrades to LS12000?
As of now, not in this year. Maybe next financial year we may have some upcoming models for that.
So, this purely marketed as a home cinema projector, or do we still look at it as a living room projector?
We market it as a dedicated home cinema projectors. Some customers still use it in the cinema room, in the living room, with a high gain, like black diamond screen or something with a high quality, high gain, which can give you the maximum return from the brightness what is given by the projector. But as such, we market it for the dedicated homes.
Okay, fantastic. So, this was about the LS12000B. If you got any more queries on LS12000B, do share them in the comments below. In the meanwhile, we'll go check out the next product. So, over to the next projector, which is the Epson EF12,
EF12.
right? So, yes.
So this is a fantastic product and one of my favorite. So it's very portable. When I travel, sometimes I carry it in my bag. So it's quite sleek, and in your laptop bag you can carry it. It has a built-in speaker by Yamaha. So the top portion is with the speaker and the bottom is of the projection section. It's a 1000 lumens projector, 1000 lumens laser light source projector. You can carry it, and the what all you have to do is give a power connection and a Wi-Fi connection again. So it's actually truly a 4K, truly a portable projector. Also, with this projector, you have some added features like it auto corrects the image. In case someone we are traveling, you just keep the projector. It has a camera in front which senses the area and corrects the image. Even the focus, the image sharpness, everything is done automatically through the projector. Also, we have some connectivity like ARC in this, so you can take an audio reverse channel, and we have one option called as camera function. So you can connect an additional camera with built-in mic.
Oh yeah, I saw that. And then you can do some online meetings with it.
Yes.
I think this is there for the other model as well.
Yeah, it's there, but no, for FS02 is not there.
6250 it's there.
Yeah, because the camera has to be connected on a USB port.
Okay.
So the USB port gives the power to the camera. You can run the you can download Epson Zoom meeting app, and once you on it, you can just join it. You cannot send an invite. You can join to the meeting by entering the ID and password.
Okay.
And then you can have the live session at your home. So when you are buying a projector for a home, if it's multi-purpose, obviously it gives
Definitely.
added advantage.
Definitely. And for all those people who are doing work from homes, or your wives are teaching in some schools, or conducting some sessions, or your kids are participating in some sort of online tuitions or online classes, I think for them this can be a fantastic product.
Yes.
But what is the price that we're looking at?
So it's placed at 1.2.
Okay, that's a little too steep.
Yeah, but when we see the technology working with that, obviously that's justifiable because
the laser source.
Yeah, because
I
the
think
laser source.
The reason why a lot of portable projectors in the market are selling around 60,000-70,000 is because they use LED source and not laser source. So the laser source from the Epson range makes them a little expensive.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I mean, what according to you are the benefits of going for a laser versus
It's
LED?
more reliable. It
Okay.
lasts long. The failure chances are very less in that, and it's more tested technology, I'll say. That's why all the higher end projectors as well come with laser light source, not with LED.
Okay.
Because LED can support only up to a certain brightness level.
The laser
that,
can stretch it a little
stretch it
higher.
out.
Okay, fantastic. So this is a pure Full HD portable projector, and there is a lower version which is the EF11.
Also, one key point I forgot: in case you are carrying it somewhere, and now you don't want to watch the movie on that, you just want to listen to sound. It has Bluetooth TX and RX both. So you can connect your mobile phone to the projector through Bluetooth and
use it as a Bluetooth speaker.
Yes.
Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice.
Exactly.
Great. So EF11, by the way, is priced at how much?
That's close to 80 lakhs. Sorry, 80K, 80,000.
Great. So these are the two models in the Epson's portable segment range, apart from the COFH02 that we saw.